Hi guys, I am going to show you how to get to OneNote in case you are stuck and can't get through to it the normal way like we're going to learn in class. So this is just a resource you can use if you are stuck at any point trying to get to OneNote. So the way we're normally going to get to it, and you can see on my screen, you're going to go to Schoology. As you can see, we are in teacher mode right now, and we're also in period 2 class, but for all my other classes, it's still going to go the same way. So if you look, we are in Social Studies section 2, and OneNote is going to be on the side. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see right here, OneNote Class Notebook. Now you should be able to click that, and when you do click it, it is going to bring up these options. It might have you log in, which is fine. You're just going to use your linschools.org email address and password, but it might have you actually get to the screen. If this is the case, you are just going to go to Manage Notebooks. You're probably not going to have all these options. I think these are the teacher options. So if you don't have Manage Notebook, it might just say Open Notebook. So I'm going to click, for me, Manage Notebook. I'm going to then say Open it. And when I open my notebook, it should bring me to OneNote, and you're going to see your class on the side. You should see the 3 options: classwork, writing, and reading, and you should be able to access all of your work from here. As you can see right now, there's nothing loaded, but eventually, instead of where it says untitled page, you're going to see some of the work that we are going to be completing in class. If for some reason you go to Schoology and you click on OneNote down here, nothing loads here, or you're able to get to this point, but maybe this whole page is blank. If that's the case, I have another way for you to get there. So what you can do instead is you can open up a new tab at the top, and you should be able to just go to office.com, which if I just, you can either Google it, you can Google Microsoft Office, or you can just say office.com. If you click that, it should immediately bring you to your logged in page. If it does not bring you here, if you don't see some of the things that you've completed, some OneNote that you have, some things that might have been sent to you from a teacher, you want to go over to the side here and you want to make sure that you log in with your linschools.org email. But if it brings you to this correct page and you are logged in, you should see on the side over here this little N, and it has like a purple notebook with it. That is OneNote. So if you click on OneNote, you will see different classes. You have the option of class notebooks, so you can look at what classes you've been invited to. You can see documents that have been shared with you, but you can open it this way. So if I open class notebook, I can go to Civics Period 2 class, and it'll bring me right back to what you saw in the other screen through Schoology, but this is how you can access your page. So if you are ever stuck and you don't know what to do with OneNote, please make sure you watch this video and you double check this, especially if you were out for the day. And that's it.